Ever wondered how you could shed those extra pounds while still enjoying delicious food? It's a challenge many of us face. The traditional weight loss methods often involve restrictive diets, which can lead to frustration and ultimately failure. But what if there was a different way? A way that not only helps you lose weight but also boosts your energy, improves your skin, and curbs those pesky cravings for unhealthy foods. That's where the smoothie diet comes into play. Stick around to discover how the smoothie diet could be your ticket to a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, Monster Health Tips. By subscribing, you become a part of our health-conscious community, and you'll get regular updates with more tips and tricks to enhance your well-being. The Smoothie Diet is a 3-week weight loss program that's all about nutrient-rich smoothies. Now you might be wondering what makes this diet so unique, so let's dive right in. The Smoothie Diet is not just a quick-fix solution for losing weight. Instead, it's a comprehensive program designed to help you embrace a healthier lifestyle. The program kicks off with a detox plan, followed by customizable meal replacement smoothie recipes. The idea is to replace a few meals with these nutritious, delicious smoothies, making it easy to integrate into a bustling life. The smoothies are created with a specific sequence of nutrients that your body needs to kickstart its natural fat-burning mechanism. But the benefits don't stop at weight loss. Many participants have reported a boost in energy levels, a healthier glow to their skin, and even a reduction in cravings for unhealthy foods. It's like hitting the reset button on your body, enabling you to start fresh and feel great. The smoothie diet is not just about the initial 21 days, it's about setting the foundation for long-term health benefits. It's about embracing a lifestyle that is not only healthier, but also simpler, more convenient, and sustainable. It's about making a change that you can stick to, even when the 3 weeks are up. While the smoothie diet has shown potential benefits for individuals with diabetes, it's essential to remember that everyone's body is different. Therefore, consulting a doctor before making any significant dietary changes is always recommended. And if you're still hesitant, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's how confident the creators are in this program. You really have nothing to lose except perhaps a few unwanted pounds. Now, let's hear from some folks who've experienced these benefits firsthand. Nothing speaks louder than the success stories of real people. Imagine waking up each day feeling lighter, more energetic, and healthier than you have in years. This isn't just a dream for many who've tried the smoothie diet, it's their reality. Let's delve into some of their experiences. Meet Sarah, a busy mom of 2 who struggled with her weight for years. She was constantly tired, felt sluggish, and her cravings for unhealthy food were out of control. Sarah decided to try the smoothie diet, and in just 3 short weeks, she shed an impressive amount of weight. But it wasn't just about the weight loss for Sarah. She was thrilled to find her energy levels skyrocketing, her skin glowing, and her cravings for junk food dramatically reduced. Sarah's life took a turn for the better, all thanks to the smoothie diet. Then there's James. A man with a demanding job, he found himself reaching for fast food more often than he'd like to admit. The smoothie diet was his lifeline. He loved the simplicity and convenience of the program. In 21 days, James had lost a significant amount of weight, felt more alert during the day, and discovered a newfound love for nutrient-rich foods. The smoothie diet was more than a diet for James, it was a lifestyle change. And let's not forget about Lisa, a health enthusiast who was already in pretty good shape but wanted to take her health to the next level. Lisa was drawn to the smoothie diet's promise of improved skin health. She was not disappointed. After 3 weeks, not only did Lisa notice her skin was clearer and more radiant, but she also felt more vibrant and energetic than ever before. These are just a few stories from the countless individuals who have transformed their lives thanks to the smoothie diet. They've seen firsthand how this simple, convenient program can lead to significant weight loss, increased energy levels, improved skin health, and reduced cravings for unhealthy foods. But it's important to remember, as with any diet or lifestyle change, individual results may vary. What worked wonders for Sarah, James, and Lisa might not work the same for everyone. We all have unique bodies that respond differently. Impressive, isn't it? But remember, results may vary. Everyone's body responds differently. Ready to embark on your own smoothie diet journey? The magic of this program lies in its simplicity. It's not just about sipping on smoothies for 3 weeks, it's about integrating nutrient-dense, delicious, and easy-to-make smoothies into your daily routine. The smoothie diet is designed with convenience in mind. It understands that we're all juggling a million things at once. Whether you're a busy parent, a full-time student, or a working professional, This program tailors to your lifestyle, not the other way around. Imagine having a fridge full of ready-made meals that are not only tasty but also fuel your body with the right nutrients. That's the beauty of the smoothie diet. But the benefits don't stop at convenience. The smoothie diet is built for sustainability. It's not a quick fix, it's a lifestyle change. The goal is not just to help you lose weight but to empower you to make healthier choices even after the initial 21 days. The program achieves this by gradually replacing unhealthy cravings with cravings for wholesome, natural foods. And the best part, if you're skeptical, there's absolutely no risk involved. The smoothie diet comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right, 2 whole months to try the program and see the results for yourself. If you're not satisfied, you get your money back, no questions asked. Now, that's a deal you don't want to miss. So why not give it a shot? You might just find that this is the lifestyle change you've been waiting for. And remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about gaining energy, improving skin health, and nourishing your body from the inside out. Imagine experiencing these transformative health benefits for yourself. We love hearing from you, our health enthusiast community. It's truly a wonderful thing to know that we're all in this together, striving for better health, better energy levels, and a better life overall. Have you tried the smoothie diet? If so, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Did you notice a significant weight loss? Did your energy levels shoot through the roof? Or maybe you found your skin glowing more than it ever has. Whatever your experience, we're eager to hear about it. Your stories, your successes, and even your struggles inspire us and help us create content that is truly beneficial for our community. Not only do your stories inspire us, but they also inspire others in our community. Think about it. Your testimonial could be the motivation another person needs to start their journey towards better health. It could be the spark that ignites their passion for a healthier lifestyle. Your words have power, and by sharing your experiences, you're wielding that power in a positive way. And it's not just about your experiences with the smoothie diet, we're curious about your health journey as a whole. What other steps are you taking towards a healthier lifestyle? Are there any other health tips or tricks you'd like to share with our community? We're all ears. Your feedback is so important to us, it's our guiding star, leading us towards content that is truly beneficial for you. So if there's something you'd like to see in future videos, or if you have any questions about the smoothie diet, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. We're here for you, and we're always eager to engage in meaningful conversations about health and wellness. Remember, every step towards better health counts, no matter how small. It could be as simple as swapping your usual breakfast for a nutrient-rich smoothie, or taking a quick walk around the block. Every little thing you do for your health is a victory. And we're here to celebrate those victories with you. Stay motivated, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next Monster Health Tip video.